Rath Yatra 2021 amidst the pandemic shall be held in a similar manner as the previous year. Due to the fear and possible consequences of COVID-19, Rath Yatra or the Cart Festival shall be held without devotees for the second consecutive time. Special Relief Commissioner Mr. Pradeep Jena said that the procession will be held on the 12th of July, keeping in mind all COVID norms and protocols. He said restrictions imposed during the last years of Rath Yatra will remain in force this year. He said, adding, only servants having RT-PCR negative reports within 48 hours and those who are fully vaccinated will take part in the proceedings, including observance of all rituals. On the day of pulling the chariots, no more than 500 servants will be allowed to take part in the procession. Agreeing to all rules by the state government, Rath Yatra shall carry out only for the idols at the Puri Jagannath temple. No other idols across the state are allowed to carry out at the same. Rath Yatra is the biggest cultural festival of Odisha, where the devotees get a chance to pull the chariots of the three idols. The road on which the chariots are drawn become a sight eyes would want to behold, with people across the country filling up every bit of space. Odisha recorded 6,097 new COVID cases during the past 24 hours, while the positive case tally has risen to 8,37,226. The real worry is the high death toll, which has remained above 40 for the past few days. During the past 24 hours, 44 COVID-19 patients died, taking the total death toll to 3,167. The report from the Common Times.